Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow Viber to access your photos. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your device settings. This is where you'll be able to control all the permissions for your apps and ensure Viber has the access it needs to share and send photos within your conversations. Once you're in settings, tap on apps. This section houses all the applications installed on your device and gives you control over how they function and what they can access. Now tap See All Apps to view the complete list of every application on your phone. This makes it easier to locate Viber among all your installed apps. Scroll through the list and find Viber, then tap on it. This will open up Viber's specific app settings where you can manage everything related to how the app operates on your device. Next, tap on Permissions. This is where you can control what Viber is allowed to access, including your camera, microphone, contacts, and of course your photos and videos. Now find photos and videos in the permissions list and tap on it. This permission is crucial because it determines whether Viber can access your photo library when you want to send images or videos to your contacts. Then tap the radio button next to Always Allow All. By selecting this option, you're giving Viber full access to your photos and videos at all times. This means you won't encounter any issues when trying to share media within the app, and Viber will be able to access your gallery whenever you need it without having to ask for permission each time. And that's it. Viber now has the necessary access to your photos and videos, so you can easily share moments with your friends and family. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.